Good morning, children. How are you? I think all are fine at your home. Is it? Yes. Yeah. In previous class, we have discussed about excretory system. Based on the excretory products, the animals are divided into three categories: amniotic animals, uricotelic animals, uricotelic animals. Some animals are excreting ammonia. Those animals are belongs to amniotic. Some animals are excreting uric acid. Those animals are belongs to ureotelic animals. Some animals are excreting urea. Those animals are belongs to ureotelic animals. And and some other organs are involving in excretory process, such as like lungs, liver, skin, etc. Yes or no? These are completed in previous class. But today we will discuss about human excretory system. Okay? Before that class, how it is unwanted materials, nitrogen waste materials formed in our body. Our body is consisting of several type of organs, organ systems. Those are involving in metabolic activities such as like digestion, respiration, circulation, reproduction, etc. like metabolic activities. With the help of metabolic activities, they are releasing some amount of unwanted materials, nitrogen waste product. If you take digestion system, after completion of digestion process, some amount of unwanted material produced. That's generally we are calling that fecal matter. Okay? In respiratory system, after completion of cellular respiration process, the carbon dioxide released. The carbon dioxide, it is one of the unwanted material. Yes? Yeah. If we take any type of system, they are releasing some amount of unwanted material. It is not useful for our body. The type of materials we are removing from the body, the process is known as excretion. Okay? In mainly in human being, excretory organ is called kidneys. With the help of kidney, we are removing unwanted substances from the body, or mainly nitrogenous waste products. What is that? How it is? What is the structure of kidney and what is the structure of human excretory system? Let us discuss today. Okay? Yeah. First one, human excretory system. Human excretory system. Human excretory system, it is responsible for excretion process. Like the respiratory system, it is responsible for respiration process. Digestion system, it is responsible for digestion process. Same as well as like in human excretory system also, it is responsible for excretion process. Okay? In human excretory, when we are observing human excretory system, we are observing some major parts. That is, first one, kidney. First one is kidney. Okay. Second one is ureter. Ureter. Okay. Third one is urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. Fourth one is urethra. These are the main important parts in our human excretory system. What is the first one? Kidney. Second one, ureter. Third one, urinary bladder. The fourth one, urethra. Okay? Let us discuss one by one. Okay? The first one, kidney. First one, kidney. When we are observing the kidney, it has two type of parts. That is first one, external structure. External structure of kidney. With the help of we should observe that structure of kidney. Those are called external structure. Okay, what is that? Let us discuss. Okay, and the first one, the kidneys are bean-shaped structure. How it is look like? Bean-shaped. Bean-shaped and reddish brown. Reddish brown and look there. It is situated. That means the kidneys are situated the side of the vertebral column. The side of the vertebral column in the dorsal position. Okay, where it is dorsal side of the body, dorsal side of the body. Okay, look there, man. Bean shaped, reddish brown, and it is situated or it is located dorsal side of the body in the dorsal. That means the vertebrae column, between that vertebrae column. Okay, now for example, it is one of the vertebrae. Okay, these bean shaped kidneys are located side of the side of the vertebrae column. Okay, vertebrae column. Okay, no. And it exactly position is L3 vertebrae. Okay, L3 vertebrae, and that is called the lumbar vertebrae, and end of the thoracic, end of the last thoracic and L3 vertebrae. These two kidneys are located in that human being body. Okay, that next one, that right kidney, it is slightly lower than the left kidney, because of here right side of the body, the liver is located in the abdomen cavity. Okay, that's why it is just lower than the left kidney. Okay, are you understand? Okay, right kidney slightly lower than the left kidney because of liver pressure. Remember that. Okay? Yeah. What is that? Right kidney lower than the left kidney. Okay, and next one, generally the weight of kidney 120 to 170 grams. 120 to 170 grams. It is a human being kidney weight. Okay, and look then, when we are observing the external structure of kidney, look there, the outer surface of the kidney, it is look like convex shape. What is that? Outer convex shape, like this is a convex shape. Okay, convex. Okay, now next the inner concave. Inner concave, outer convex and inner concave. Okay, and look there here. And look there here. In the middle of the kidney, in the middle of the kidney, a deep notch-like structure is there. A notch-like structure is there. This structure name is called hilum. What is that? Hilum. What is this? Deep notch-like structure. That is called hilum. Okay? In this hilum, look here. In this hilum, ureter it will be existing. Ureter it will be existing in that hilum. Okay? And look here. Nerves and blood vessels. Nerves and blood vessels are entering into that kidney with the help of hilum position, hilum place. Okay? Look here. Only that ureter it will be existing and blood vessels and nerves are entering into the kidney in the hilum position. Okay? This is the external structure of kidney. Okay? And one more thing. The kidney is totally covered by epithelium tissues. Okay? Epithelium tissues. It is look like a thick epithelium tissues. It is protecting inside the internal structures of kidneys. That is the main function of layers. Okay? Yes. This is the external structure of kidney. And once again, look there here. The kidney, it is look like a bean shaped and reddish brown color. It is located in dorsal position of the body and exactly L3. Okay, L3 vertebrae. And the right kidney slightly lower than the left kidney because of liver pressure. Okay, and the exactly weight of kidney 120 to 170 grams. Okay, the outer side of the kidney it is look like a convex shape and the inner side is look like a concave. Okay, middle of the kidney it is look like a deep notch like structure is there. The structure name is called a hilum. In this hilum, ureter it will be existing and several type of blood vessels and nerves are entering into that kidney. This is the external structure of human kidney. Okay, and next one, internal structure of kidney. Internal structure. Internal structure. Once observe here. look there here. It is one of the internal structure of human kidney. When we are doing longitudinal section, these internal parts it will be observed. Let us discuss. Okay? Yes. Look at the human being kidney shows two distinct regions, two different regions. That is, outer is called cortex. Okay, this outer portion is called cortex position. This inner portion is called medulla portion. Okay, this one outer portion of the kidney is called cortex and inner portion of the kidney is called medulla. Okay, medulla. And this, look at this medulla, it is divided into many number of, okay, nearly 9 to 12 reverse pyramid like structures. These reversal pyramid like structures are called renal pyramids. Renal pyramids. The broad, look at these broad shaped renal pyramids are located in the cortex region, and these sharp edges like structures are located in that medulla region. Okay? And look here. This between the two renal pyramids, a complex structure projections are arising in middle of the two renal pyramids. Those are called columns of Bertins. Okay? And look there here. In the middle portion, these columns of Bertins are open into that empty cavities. Those are called calyx. Look there here. In this renal pyramids, it is consisting of millions of nephrons. Nephron, it is nothing but it is a structural and functional units of excretory system is called nephrons. Many millions of nephrons are located in that renal pyramids. Okay? Yes. Next, look at them. In this medullas in the hilum region, several types of blood vessels, renal veins and renal arteries. Okay? Renal veins and renal arteries are arising from that hilum, and ureters also it will be existing out of that kidney part. Okay, it is the internal structure of heart. Okay, look there here. When that renal veins, deoxygenated blood collecting from the kidney, that is renal veins, and renal artery, it will be supplying oxygenated blood from that kidney. That is the function of arteries. Okay, it is one of the internal structure of kidney. Okay, if we are observing that nephron structure, it number of nephrons are located in the kidney. Okay, what is that? Let us discuss. Okay, it is an internal structure. Next one. Kidney is completed. Second one is ureter. Okay, already these are called kidney, ureter, urethra and urinary bladder, urethra. Look there, it is a kidney is completed. Next one, ureter. These ureters are, it is look like a tube-like structures. What is that? A tube-like structures. They are slender, whitish tube-like structures are called ureter. Slender, whitish tube-like structures are called ureters. Okay? Then look there. These are arising from that kidney. That means mainly in pelvic regions. In pelvic regions, that ureters are arising. Okay? And look there now. These ureters are totally covered by epithelium layers, epithelium tissues. Okay? These ureters are downwards and open into the sac-like structure. The sac-like structure name is called urinary bladder. The main function of ureters, it will be supplying, that means it will be collecting urine into the kidneys and supplying into the urinary bladder. That is the main function. Okay? Next one, urinary bladder. Urinary bladder, it is nothing but it is located in the below the abdomen cavity. Below the abdomen cavity, it is look like a small sac-like structure. Small sac-like structure. It will storing some amount of urine in couple of minutes. Okay, couple of minutes. After it is totally filled, automatically we are removing that urine from the body with the help of urethra. Okay, between the urinary bladder and urethra, several types of sphincters are situated above the urethra. These sphincters, that is the sphincters name is, it is nothing but internal urethral sphincters. What is that? Internal urethral sphincters. What is the main function of sphincters? It will be when it is open, the sphincters are open, automatically we are removing urine from the body. Just look like valves like function. Okay? When the valves are open, automatically the fluid material, it will be passing out of the body. Same as well as like this internal urethral sphincters also, it will doing the same functions. Okay? Next, urethra. Urethra, it is nothing but it is one of the last excretory organ or excretory parts in a human being. With the help of urethra, we are removing urine. Okay? We are removing urine from the body. That is called urethra. Okay, children. This is look here. The urethra, it is different from that female and male. But in male, only the urethra and genital ducts, they both are connected to each other. With the help of urethra, male animals, they are passing urine and they are passing reproductive cells also, such as like sperms. Sperms are releasing with the help of urethra, urine also releasing with the help of urethra in male. But in female is different. That female animal, with the help of urethra, they are excreting urine only. Okay? With the help of genital duct, they are releasing new babies from the body. Okay? Remember it. Okay, children? Yeah. This is our human excretory system. Okay? The first in that human excretory system, it is consisting of mainly 4 parts: kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. In that kidney, we have studied about external structure of kidney, internal structure of kidney, and ureter, black to black structures, and urinary bladder, cyclic structure, urethra. With the help of urethra, we are passing urine. This is today our class. In next class, we will discuss about structure of nephron. Okay, children? Yes. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, everyone.